The solution for this example, first thing we need to do is highlight the area explicitly that we want to do. Don't click here and switch it on. Specify exactly where you want to go. Click on data, put on the filter, so you'll see it's here. And now when we click on here, notice we've got a filter by color option. And there are our various icons. So I'm going to say, let me see all the red ones. And you'll see it shows it. Green ones, we see the green ones. And if we want to remove everything, we say clear filter from difference. Over here, what we want to do is list all mortgage related items. So we're going to highlight that. Now notice the filter is currently there. So to put a filter on here, we actually have to switch that one off. And when we come here, we'll switch this one on. And now we want to list all mortgage related items. So when I click here, I can search through them, or else over here I can start typing and you'll see there's 2 of them. When I say OK, those 2 items are listed. To clear it, I can go and click clear there.